Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in Piston Cup history,
A rookie has won the Piston Cup.
yes! We have a three-way tie.
Oh, hey, McQueen. That must be really embarrassing, but I wouldn't worry about it. Because I didn't do it!
Piston Cup officials have determined that a tiebreaker race between the three leaders will be held in California in 1 week.
Well, thank you. Thanks to all of you out there. Thank you.
Hey, Rook, first one to California gets Dinoco all to himself.
Ah! No, not me. No, you rock, and you know that. Francesco, over here. Hey, what was your strategy today?
Strategia. Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco always wins. It's boring.
I gotta tell you, dude, you were in trouble for a while. That dirt track section had you crawling.
To truly crush one's dream, you must first raise their hopes very high.
Come on, baby, bring it out. Bring out the Piston Cup. Kachika, kachika. Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one celebrating is me, huh? Where are the girls? Bring on the confetti. Ow! Ow! Easy with the confetti. What's going on? Come on, snap some pictures. I gotta go sign my deal with Dinoco. Kachika, say it with me. Kachika.
Bumper to bumper as they approach the finish line. McQueen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!
Way to go, Cruz! Yes!
Man, heck of a win.
Yeah. Heck of a win.
Hey, Cruz, you were flying.
Thanks.
You really had it rolling today.
That was cool.
Thank you.
Hey, Cruz, your blinker's on.
It is? Oh, you got me. Very funny.
Go ahead. Give him some smoke.